का झंडा ऊंच महान, शिव का सदा होगा सम्मान। सर्व का पिता वो शिव भगवान, शिव का ज्ञान करे कल्याण।
शिव का झंडा ऊंच महान, शिव का सदा होगा सम्मान। सर्व का पिता वो शिव भगवान, शिव का ज्ञान करे कल्याण। शिव का झंडा ऊंच महान।
ओम शांति। आज हम सब ने मिलकर के, सभी पूरे विश्व के सभी डॉक्टर्स ने मिलकर के, हम सब भाई बहनों ने मिलकर के इस शांति वन के प्रांगण में प्यारे बाबा का झंडा लहराया। और हमारी यही शुभ भावना, शुभकामना है, ये बाबा का संदेश लेके जाएंगे और पूरे विश्व में हर जगह ये बाबा का झंडा एक दिन घर घर में फहराया जाएगा। सभी के मुख से एक ही आवाज़ निकलेगा, मेरा बाबा आ गया है, मेरा बाबा आ गया है, मेरा बाबा आ गया है। ओम शांति।
And now I request to Dr. Chopra, please give blessing at this occasion.
Respected Brahmakumaris, members of the organizing committee of this particular conference, President-elect, American Heart Association, members of API, my dear friends, brothers and sisters. It's really a great pleasure and honor for me to be here this morning on a very important and a very sensitive occasion of life hosting, on the occasion of celebration of World Heart Day. I really feel very privileged today, out of all the 9 conferences, that we have with us the President-elect of American Heart Association for the first time. Let's give him a big applause. The message is very clear. This morning I was listening and not hearing to Sister Shivani. Beautiful expression. I think if we imbibe everything what she said, we all are going to have a healthy heart at least till the age of 80. After 80, it's God's will. The expressions were that we should have love, compassion, peace, harmony, humility if we really want to energize heart. I think that's what the message is. And the theme of the World Heart Day this year is healthy heart and healthy environment. All the expressions of healthy environment has been mentioned beautifully by Shivani. We dedicate everything what she said to Shivani today. Thank you. With these few words, I'll request the President-elect of American Heart Association. He mentioned to me a very beautiful word last night when we were at dinner. He said, I have not attended conference like this. And I have to tell him, the conference was not even started yesterday. He was just there in a different program, what we call as a welcome reception function organized by Satish Bhai and the whole team, Banarsi Bhai and everyone. And it was a feeling as if we are sitting in heaven and not in a welcome or a reception function. Conference, sir, is starting this morning. This is the first activity was in the morning by Shivani, and the second activity is this. Activities will start now. We'd like to have your message, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Chopra. This is a wonderful, wonderful occasion, a wonderful meeting. On behalf of the American Heart Association, I want to extend my own personal welcome and thank you for the blessings that we are all experiencing just being here together, gathering in this wonderful setting, not only to learn science, but for the peace and blessings that is being extended to all of us throughout this conference time. World Heart Day is just a symbolic representation of all the good thoughts and deeds that we all think about and we all hope to accomplish to extend good health, good life to all mankind everywhere. And it's a wonderful occasion for me to spend this time here with you today and through this conference. Thank you.
I'm truly humbled. Looks like I come back to my roots here. I've been in the United States for almost like 34 years, and I've been a volunteer of the American Heart Association for 30 years. I heard about Brahma Kumaris, but this is the first time that I'm experiencing in person the actual feeling, the feeling of the ultimate happiness and joy that you are spreading throughout the world. You touch the lives of millions of people, just not in India, in the United States. And I was talking to one of my friends here, and it's really heartwarming to see that I come from Chicago, but even in Chicago, there are hundreds and thousands of Brahma Kumari followers, and this speaks volumes and volumes of the greatness that you are establishing. And the very fact that we are all here today under the roof of the God-given big umbrella called the sky, we're all human beings here, and we have the same feeling and we have got the same sentiments. You touched millions of people. American Heart has 24 million volunteers. So we are not competing with you, but we are working together. And today is a very memorable day, personally in my life, and personally I think in the lives of all of us here. And this is what we, India, can show. It's not just the spirituality in preaching, but in true sense, the spirituality in practice. Thank you.
Dr. Satyesh Gupta, please.
ओम शांति। आज बहुत ही खुशी का दिन है। आज हम सभी बाबा के झंडे के नीचे, परमात्मा शिव के झंडे के नीचे खड़े हैं, और आज के दिन हम सभी ये शपथ लेते हैं, प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि परमात्मा शिव का सब उनको कैसे याद करें, मैसेज सारे विश्व में फैलाएं, जिससे कि हम सबका हार्ट सदा स्वस्थ रहे और सदा दूसरों को प्यार बांटता रहे। ओम शांति।
All the big orators have already given a message. I can always say that it is always a real pleasure to come to this place, because as he says that you get something in your, as soon as you enter here, something happens to you and you get something excellent. To tell you frankly, that it is such a peace here. Today my blood sugar was 90. My blood pressure was 120/80. अब यही डर है कि शिवानी बहन के सुनने के बाद बीपी बहुत लो ना हो जाए। It's sort of a peaceful experience to us, and I think, as we always say, myself and Dr. Chopra have decided that once a year we will come to this most sacred place on earth to get all the peace and rest in the mind. Thank you very much.
Om Shanti. Let us all pledge together in front of Bab Dada, in front of this holiest, highest, richest flag of Shiv Baba. Let all our heart be healthy heart, pure heart, clean heart, divine heart, and so that the divinity can be spread all over the world, and divinity be the nature of every individual. So with this, I congratulate all the organizing committee and all the participants from around the world to make this event a wonderful event, a great event, a successful event, and an event to guide the humanity. Om Shanti, Namaste.
Om Shanti. We are all honored by your presence here, and we feel the heart of healing lies in spirituality. Till we are able to emotionally balance ourselves, then we can only have a healthy heart. And spirituality is an integral part of our feelings, our emotions, And on this special day, which is the Teachers' Day, we also honor all of our teachers, and Shiv Baba, the Supreme Father, is our supreme teacher also. He guides us to divinity. He guides us to a life which is full of values. And on this day, we know that it is special day. We are all gathered here to give the message of healthy heart to all the humanity. Congratulations to the organizing committee.
ओम शांति। आई थिंक झंडे के नीचे खड़े होकर आज प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि जो अनुभव यहाँ आकर महसूस करते हैं ऑफ पीस, लव एंड हैप्पीनेस, इसी अनुभव वी विल स्टे इन दिस एक्सपीरियंस फॉर एवरी मोमेंट फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. सो इट शुड नॉट बी एन एक्सपीरियंस फॉर 3 days, but it should be our way of living from here onwards. So that is the promise that we do to ourselves as we stand under the flag. Thank you so much.
ओम शांति। ऐसे सुनहरे मौके पर इतने कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट आए हैं, हमारा यही शुभ राय है कि इतना अच्छा होलीस्ट प्लेस दुनिया में कहाँ भी नहीं मिलेगा। तो हम एक संकल्प लें कि इस होलीस्ट प्लेस पर हम परमात्मा को याद करके सबको दिलों को आराम कैसे मिले, वैसा ही बर्ताव, वैसा ही सहयोग हम सबको दें, सबको लें। ओम शांति।